if you've heard about our brand new class, the Husqvarna Viking Bootcamp. I'm excited to announce the sewing version. The Husqvarna Viking BOOTCAMP Lite is now available. Hi, I'm Sarah from SewingMastery.com, and my friend Liz and I recently filmed an online course that is focused on the Husqvarna Viking machines with Wi-Fi capabilities. And we listed 5 models that course was designed to focus on. But we have had so much requests from those of you who have the Wi-Fi compatible sewing only machines. That would be the Husqvarna Viking EPIC 980Q and the Husqvarna Viking EPIC 95Q. So if you own one of those 2 machines, we have removed all the embroidery information, but left in all the Wi-Fi compatible information that is for you and your machine. So what did we do in the sewing part of this course? We actually created new stitches, and we actually took them, or I should say, they were inspired by the FOF Creative Icon. Now the FOF has some unique stitches like ribbon stitches and radiant stitches, floating stitches, and stacking stitches. That's the one. And so what we did was we went and did a whole lesson on how to create your own extra stitches. So what we did was just included the sewing features that we talked about in that original course, but scaled it down for those of you who have those 2 models of machines that we mentioned. We do invite you to take a look at the free videos that we have regarding this course where you can meet Liz and I and see if this course is right for you. We'll put links below. We also want to let you know that we now have added a digital download option of the Husqvarna Viking Footbook. So if you've had this book, and maybe it's an older version, want a digital copy, you can now download this. If you are an international student with us, this is now available because I know it's not in all the countries that you can check it out. It's got all the feet from Viking and how to use them. So those are some wonderful techniques, and you are welcome to check that out. Plus, I wanted to make a note. For those of you who have accessory feet just roaming around your accessory box and you don't know what they are, this page right here, the inside cover, plus the inside cover on the back, have all the feet that are available listed as just a picture and their name. So if you got a random foot and you don't know why you have it or what it's supposed to be used for, take your foot and find the matching picture, and then you will know what that foot is. So this is also a great reference. So those 2 pages I just mentioned are a free download. So again, we'll put some links below. We'll let you check out the Bootcamp or Bootcamp Lite courses. We had an overwhelming success with this course. We did not realize how many people were hungry for learning all the free stuff that comes with their Wi-Fi compatible machines. So thank you to those of you who pushed us to make sure that this Bootcamp Lite version got released. We were able to do that thanks to your recommendations. So please enjoy, and we can't wait to show you what's coming up new on the horizon of all the new machines and techniques that are coming out next year. So stay tuned. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful time sewing, and I can't wait to help you with any of your sewing machine questions that you have. So reach out anytime, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. All right, take a look at those classes. If you're looking for the digital footbook, it's available, and all those links will be right below. Happy sewing, everybody.